Improve sustainability on your packaging line. Tentoma produces packaging solutions for the manufacturing industry of building materials, roll goods, and similar. The RoRo StretchPack solution is unique because it makes a 6-sided sealed packaging in just one operation. This is while it both reduces energy and film consumption. We all have the responsibility to reduce the environmental impact, and our customers request sustainable solutions. Therefore, we have committed ourselves to minimizing the global footprint we use to produce our machines. Sustainability is the key element in our whole development process. It is crucial for us that our machines reduce the environmental impact without compromising on the packaging quality. With RoRo StretchPack, it is possible to remove heat shrink from your packaging line. Therefore, it is possible to reduce energy consumption by up to 90%. From RoRo StretchPack solutions already installed, we have seen that it is possible to reduce up to 60% in film consumption compared to earlier. RoRo StretchPack not only pack and protect your products, RoRo StretchPack also improves your sustainability and supports the UN Sustainable Development Goals.